Welcome back to Rosa Bakes. I have already assembled my carrot cake with the frosting, the maple syrup frosting. I did add a little extra maple syrup. I did it by taste. So I did the middle and now I have the top. And since I don't have a proper, this is very, very messy. Since I don't have a proper icing to do my little flowerets around, I created this out of the Ziploc bag. I had a sandwich bag size Ziploc bag, filled it with the remaining icing, and then cut twice with scissors to hopefully form the flowerette. So this is maybe working, maybe not. Maybe I have to do that cut a little bit more because it's coming out, well, it could be different. I wasn't sure how it was gonna come out. I was trying to get the work around. Maybe. I think I have to do this a little slightly different. Yeah. It's looking slightly different than what I wanted it to look, but not bad. Go around the cake. You're still there? I'm gonna go around that cake. Now that I got and I have a rhythm here, it's coming out a lot better than when I started off. There we go. One more ribbony. All right, this doesn't look great. And put that just a little bit. There we go. Not so bad. So since I have so much of this icing left, I could use a little bit more. I'm gonna put it in the center and do a little bit of decorating in the center. A little flowerette. I almost made a rose. Almost. Oh, first shot. All right, there's so much more left. I'll probably use that for something else. So we're gonna do our almonds. And I'm gonna set this almonds a little better crushed. Just around. I'm gonna crush them a little bit more with my hands. And set them around. They're probably not as nice as probably Mary Berry's, but we're making do here from what I have. I didn't think this came out all that bad, although the cake itself could have been way better. But keep in mind, 8-inch round for both of the rounded cakes. And then also, if you're gonna use all-purpose flour, not the self-rising flour, not sure where to get it, I'll look for it. But look online, it's a cup of flour has so much of the baking powder and baking soda in it. So you can mix it into the dry ingredients, as well as doing what she says, just making sure that that comes out correctly. So I'm gonna do this. New year, I'm also starting to use my apron. And I'm gonna just do a little sprinkle around because I do need to decorate this as well with a little bit of writing. This is my parents' anniversary. 58 years of marriage, and they were married in Sicily 58 years ago. But in Sicily, they did not have carrot cake at their wedding. This is an English cake, but I figured something different. And my mother inspires me to always try something new. She's learned lots of things here in US. And if it comes out well, my father will sing my praises. If it does not, then he'll be quiet. That's how my father says that it's not really to his liking. He'll just say, oh, it's okay, in his little Italian. So I'm gonna now take that and dust it on the top. This is the cinnamon that's in the cake, and do a little dusting. So there it is. My version, my attempt, I should say, to Mary Berry's carrot cake sugar-free, using maple syrup for the icing and using the agave for the cake instead of refined sugar. So give it a shot. Try Mary Berry's carrot cake sugar-free, and please like this show, like my subscribe to Rosa Bakes, do whatever. Keep following, keep coming back, seeing my mishaps, even my successes. I'm sure, and I will let you know how this came out. I don't think it was that bad. I did a pretty good decorating anyhow, so maybe I'll just be no baker, but definitely be a decorator and enjoy. So that's my creative side. A little new attempt, and here I will wish my parents the happiest anniversaries to 58 more years. Auguri, bababa, ti voglio tanto tanto bene. Ciao!